Today we will learn a new sound. It's sound. So let's start. We will learn formation and action for sound. We will listen to a song. We will learn some words and we will do some activities together. Let's do the action together. Rub your tummy as if you can see some tasty food and say Let's write sound together. Put your finger up and say down, up, over, up and over. Let's listen to the song together and try to do the action.
The mom and the dad make many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children.
Now, let's learn some words for sounds. We have mouse, mouse, monkey, monkey, man, man, mat, mat, mop, mop, mug, mug, mat, mat, moon, moon. And now it's activity time. Listen to the story and try to remember words with sound.
Millie and Molly have come over for dinner with Mrs. Morris and her son Marvin. When Mrs. Morris calls dinner time, the children wash their hands and sit down at the table, ready to eat their meal. I'm really hungry, says Marvin, rubbing his tummy. I hope it's spaghetti and meatballs. I'm hungry too, says Molly. I hope it's tomato soup. Well, I hope it's chicken and mushroom pie, says Millie. And they all rub their tummies hungrily. In a few minutes, Mrs. Morris brings in a large dish heaped full of tasty food. Lamb and peas, say the children. We like that meal most of all.
Activity number 2. Say the sounds and try to read the words.
S, mess. T, mint. K, p, camp. Man.
Activity number 3. Listen to the words and tell me is the sound at the beginning or at the end of the words. So listen carefully.
Mermaid.
Yes, it's at the beginning. Okay.
Arm.
Yes, it's at the end.
Storm.
At the end.
Milk.
Beginning.
Drum.
At the end.
Man.
Beginning sound. Activity number 4. Click the pictures that begin with sound. We have moon, map, monkey, mermaid, milk, and mouse. And this is the end of our video. Thank you.